Our next topic for the today's session is diagnosis of sexual orders, sexual disorders by history taking. I invite the legendary Dr. Professor Dr. Prakash Kothari. He is the founder professor of the Department of Sexual Medicine at the St. G.S. Medical College and KM Hospital, Mumbai. He presided over the 7th World Congress of Sexology in 1985 and the first ever international conference on orgasm in 1991. His path-breaking research on orgasm and Kama Sutra has put India on the world map. He has recently uploaded a video on YouTube with the study IQ spanning over 30 topics that explains every aspect of sex and sexuality. The video, which is a definitive handbook on sex education, has crossed over 1 million views in just a few months. He was conferred the title of the Sexologist of Asia by the Asian Federation of Sexology and the World Association for Sexology, that is WAS, conferred upon him the title of Man of the Year and the WAS Gold Medal. He was awarded the Padma Shri by the President of India in recognition of his significant contributions to the field of sexual medicine. He has written multiple books. He has started spreading the world of sexology since the time when nobody knew about it. Even outside the world of sexologists, I hardly ever meet a person who has not heard Dr. Prakash Kothari's talks and his. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Prakash Kothari.
And I thank you, ladies and gentlemen, madam, for your remarks about me, which hardly you could hear, but thank you very much for endorsing that. 5% of the cases you'll be able to diagnose just by history taking alone. When I started my journey, say about 55 years ago, I used to ask questions in history taking. What is sex? How is sex? How is your sexual life? Today I feel that such questions are akin to how is your urinary life? How is your defecation life? But I started with those things because there was nobody to guide. Here you are there, the mistakes which we all have committed, you are not going to commit for sure. And then after a while I started using the model of Masters and Johnson, under whom I did my undergraduate and postgraduate workshops. I found those models very vague, unstructured, and imprecise. So I changed to Artin and Fitian's model. That also was not satisfied because in KEM hospital there used to be about at times 150 patients. So I don't require any background music. Where were we? KEM hospital. About 150 patients आ जाते थे. It was difficult to manage, so we had to develop a new model, and we did develop a new model, which is very precise, very simple. We asked, we asked 4 questions to the male and 4 to the female. Four questions, not 5, only 4. 4 questions to the male and 4 to the female. We ask, number 3 is penetration, and number 4 is orgasm. You come to the diagnosis very short, very short. There's nothing beyond this. 99% of the cases revolve around these 4 parameters. I'm telling you on the basis of 55,000 cases which we have seen at KEM hospital alone. This model is very simple, very precise, and you can diagnose a case as if you are diagnosing a respiratory problem or gastrointestinal problem, and that too in few minutes. Having talked that, now we want the first parameter. What is desire? What is desire? Anybody in the audience?
To meet or look someone.
I have to know myself.
Willingness to
You are partly correct.
extreme.
Anybody? What is desire?
Need.
Need. Feeling.
Willingness to make a contact.
That's it. It's a wish. But what is sexual desire?
Make a contact.
Don't tell your mind. And never impose your own values on people. Will they make a contact? Urge. Agreed, but what is it? It's readiness to feel erotic. It's an instinctual inclination towards sensual gratification. How do you assess the desire? Desire कितना है कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा?
Erections.
हाँ?
Erections.
Erection से नहीं लेकिन frequency of erection you can say. Frequency of masturbation you are right.
जिसको सोच के ही मजा आ जाता है।
हाँ?
जिसको सोच के ही आनंद आता है।
Dreams are dreams. Correct. By sexual thoughts and sexual dreams, previous habit of masturbation, or currently is masturbation, or any other sexual activity. By and large, if a man is having sexual thoughts or sexual dreams or coital experiences, if at all an individual is having thoughts and dreams, by and large, his hormone profile is good. His mental integrity is good. You don't have to worry much about that. So that desire could be high and it could be low. In which conditions desire would be high?
In the foreplay.
करोगे तब मालूम पड़ेगा ना तो डिजायर बढ़ेगा लेकिन डिजायर पहले से कब जाता है
When you have leisure time.
Desire can continue till the last breath of one's life. Am I right? Yes. ज्यादा कब हो जाता है नॉर्मल है ना फीलिंग तो यार क्या बनेगा आप ऐसी बात करते हो जैसे अमेरिका डिस्कवर्ड कोलंबस सॉरी
High testosterone level. Testosterone level. At happy moments.
इंक्रीज ऑफ डिजायर साइकोलॉजिकल कंडीशंस कौन सा है यार
Leisure time.
अरे यार साइकेड मैनिया हाइपोमेनिया schizophrenia because there is losing of inhibition organic दारू पियो ड्रग्स लिया हो आपने जैसे चरस गांजा तंबाकू से नहीं sudden rise very nice sudden rise
What about cannabis?
you can ask him I come to that cannabis that's what I'm telling you drugs
Up to date.
how do you look when your patient comes
Depression.
depression right mania is opposite of depression what other conditions
Stress.
anxiety who said that anxiety because you can't be anxious and sensuous at the same time it's difficult what other conditions वो तो बाद में आएगा लेकिन मेजर कंडीशन साइकियाट्रिक कंडीशन में क्या होगा the thoughts of repetition and compulsive are so many that they do not allow the sexual thoughts to surface. And that fellow is a cleanliness freak. Even touching his touching private part of his partners also, he would restrict. He feels that cleanliness is a birthright. And if it is just OCD, I'm not talking about OCPD, it will revert very well in just 3 or 4 weeks. A psychiatrist can make it absolutely balanced within no time. Which other psychological conditions? Schizophrenia, there could be total blunting of sexual desire. Organic, which are the conditions? Other ones? Drugs. Which are the varieties of drugs? Sorry? SSR. Sorry, a psychiatrist. No wonder. Sir, anti-androgens, antihypertensives, antipsychotics, antidepressants, and Ayurvedic medicines which contain Rauwolfia serpentina and ganja. Don't smile when I talk about ganja. Am I clear? Pakka. Now there are certain situations. See, what are the conditions where organic conditions where desire is below? Most important they are. Testes manufacture testosterone, gets metabolized in the liver and acts on the target or
Cirrhosis of liver, it is liver disease.
sorry.
It is liver disease, cirrhosis of liver, desire will be decreasing.
That's what I'm telling you. Any garbad in testes or liver may lead to decline in sexual desire. Am I clear? Now tell me, when there is sudden increase in sexual desire, you have answered that frontal lobe tumors. Now when there is sudden decrease in sexual desire.
अफेयर लिविंग पार्टनर्स अफेयर
Sorry?
पार्टनर अफेयर के बारे में
हाय शबाश, क्या नाम है आपका? बहुत अनुभवी आदमी होगा तो ही कर सकते। क्या नाम है आपका?
प्रदीप सर आपको
Dr. Pradeep, discovering partners affair. I wish you all the best. ये हो सकता है। ले लो दोस्त, ले लो। Sex and photography both develop in dark. Not now, but now at least you need to click. Am I right? But desire leads to arousal. Everybody agrees? Yes or no?
Yes.
No. I would say no. A psychiatrist will just pay attention. Suppose if I am here, yeah, I have desire. My wife is sitting here. I have desire, but I will not get erection. Why? Because all of you are here. That's why I am not perceiving the stimuli input as sexual. Because sexual grounding is not taking place in me. The moment all of you go away and we two are left alone, I perceive the stimuli input as sexual. I will get erection because the sexual grounding has started. So arousal is the manifestation of sexual grounding and not desire alone. You can explain the entire sexology of this basis. This is my own concept. Why I am homosexual? Because I am getting sexual grounding only with the same sex. Why I am hetero? Because I am getting sexual grounding only with the opposite sex. Why with bisexual? Because with both. Why with nobody? Because asexual. Period. Am I clear? So, sexual grounding plays a major role. Sexual grounding is not arousal, but it's a precursor of arousal. So you can focus your treatment whether to treat desire or whether to treat sexual grounding. Am I clear? As a psychiatrist, you will appreciate this. After desire, what is the next step? Erection. If a man gets erection in one set of circumstances, how a man gets erection? Anybody in the audience? How a man gets erection?
Sexual thought
Sexual thought.
or physical stimuli.
Stimuli.
Brain sends signals to spinal cord.
Right.
And then release of nitric oxide. Blood goes into the penile blood vessels and you get an erection.
But sir, you need to have a good ambience also. Of course. And a good hormone level also. So ये दो चीजें जरूर. He's absolutely right. Your name please?
I'm Dr. Abhinav, sir.
Avinash.
Abhinav, sir.
Sorry?
Abhinav.
Abhinav. Okay. So either by the sight, order, taste, or touch, there is a sex entering the brain when it is aroused, the messages are relayed down. And when the messages are sufficient, the further messages go down. There is a flow of blood and a man gets hard on. Of course, you require a good hormone balance and a good ambience. But here, if a man gets erection in one set of circumstances, if he gets in the early morning, if he gets with good weather, if he gets with one partner, if he gets during masturbation, but not at the time of coitus, then the problem is situational and not constitutional. I normally explain to my patients like this, and it works. You can also try. भाई कि मेरा ये हाथ है यहाँ से हाँ काट. Everybody understand Hindi?
Yes, sir.
पक्का?
Yes, sir.
If I got a hand like this, it chop it off from here, it falls on the ground. Even if I raise my arm 10 times, my forearm will not be raised once. And if it is raised once, will you believe that my hand won't be touched? भाई ये मेरा हाथ सुनो, ये मेरा हाथ है यहाँ से काट के नीचे रख दो. 10 मरतबा इसको उठाओ, एक मरतबा भी नहीं उठेगा. अगर एक मरतबा उठ गया तो आप मानोगे कि मेरा हाथ टूटा हुआ तो नहीं मानोगे. बात बस. So if you get erection in one set of circumstances and not in the other, the problem is largely situational and not constitutional. बड़ा आसान है. Usually,
that largely constitutional, not situational. एक बार
हाँ सर, ये मेरा हाथ है यहाँ से काट के नीचे रख दिया. डॉक्टर 10 मरतबा इसको उठाऊंगा, एक मरतबा भी नहीं उठेगा. अगर एक मरतबा उठ गया तो आप मानेंगे कि मेरा हाथ टूटा हुआ था. नहीं मानेंगे. उसी तरह से एक बार अगर आदमी को बराबर इरेक्शन आ गए और दूसरी अवस्था में नहीं आए तो उसका मतलब प्रॉब्लम सिचुएशन का है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का नहीं है. कुछ फिजिकल इलनेस नहीं है. ज़्यादातर प्रॉब्लम इज सिचुएशन. मैं क्लियर? पक्का?
सर आपने एक वर्ड यूज किया ग्राउंडिंग, सेक्सुअल ग्राउंडिंग. व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली?
Grounding is sexual grounding is perceiving the stimuli input as sexual. समझो आप उनके साथ बैठे हैं, इच्छा है आपको, इच्छा है, लेकिन इरेक्शन नहीं होगा क्योंकि हम लोग सब साथ में हैं. तो सेक्सुअल ग्राउंडिंग इज नॉट टेकिंग प्लेस इन यू. द मोमेंट ऑल ऑफ यू all of us go away and you two are left alone, you start getting erection क्योंकि सेक्सुअल ग्राउंडिंग शुरू हो गया. तो ये सब जो हरकत है वो ज्यादातर सेक्सुअल ग्राउंडिंग की है. एंड द वेस्टर्न साइंटिस्ट हैव मिस्ड आउट दिस कंसेप्ट of sexual grounding. It's not desire leads to erection. It's desire, sexual grounding, and then leads to erection. Am I clear?
Yes.
If there is any question, ask me 10 times. Don't hesitate. Go. Now, अभी बताइए मुझे, भाई इरेक्शन आया तो हम लोग ज्यादातर हमारे तजुर्बे में 3 चीजें होती देखने की. एक तो रिजिडिटी, दूसरा एंगल और तीसरा सस्टेनेंस. रिजिडिटी में आप क्या चीज देखेंगे? हार्डनेस. हार्डनेस 3 तरह की होगी, चौथी तरह की नहीं होगी. Either it's non-penetrable rigidity, doubtful penetrable rigidity, or difficulty in sustaining rigidity. Why take pictures? You can ask for this and they can send you the whole. Absolutely, don't bother. There's nothing private about it. It's okay. Take it up. Non-penetrable. Which are the conditions when you will get non-penetrable?
Morning,
मेरे पास मॉर्निंग की क्या बात है नॉन पेनिट्रेबल कभी होता है मॉर्निंग में तो ऑन द कंट्री लाइक अ किंग प्राइवेट तो परमानेंट डायरेक्शन नॉन पेनिट्रेबल माने आप पेनिट्रेट ही नहीं कर सकते कमजोरी उतनी है मेरे पास पेनिट्रेबल नॉन पेनिट्रेबल
no proper positions.
हाँ माने मजबूती बिल्कुल नहीं है अच्छी बात मजबूती ना है
जैसे कहीं बैठे मीटिंग में
हाँ जी
कोई मीटिंग में बैठे और
expert may not work that way. So in this condition, what is the option left? Penile. Yes. If you can afford 3-piece, if not, 2. Single. Then comes doubtful penetrable rigidity. Here you come in the picture. I have desire, I do get erection, but no, it's not that stiff. You see, Dr. Mutha has told me that this is a workshop. So I'm not supposed to ask, can you just what to do about it, but also how to go about it. And he has also assured that Dr. Mutha, see that nobody refers to the cases. They handle their own cases in their own way. My intentions are very clear. मैं कहा था हाँ इलेक्शन में तुम यार कफन निकाल डालो सर वैसे मेरे को बहुत डर लगता है अभी अच्छे लगते लगाते हो खाली tell me desire erection stiff but not that what are the common conditions diabetes what are the conditions absolutely right diabetes में there would be desire 4+. But decline in erectile ability at all times. Hypertension, very common. Please remember one. Entire body can play a role. Brain and nerves stimulate. Heart and blood vessels circulate. Hormones regulate. Local tissues, muscles and bones facilitate. Any garbad anywhere can decline. So a therapist who is just MBBS may be able to work perhaps better because the fellow has overall knowledge. Even a psychiatrist who is trained in psychological problems has a distinct advantage, but he needs to be in touch with other people also. So all these aspects can lead to erectile dysfunction, stiff, but not that stiff. PD5 can work wonders. But in my opinion, the films are better than the tablets. You just put a film on the tongue, gets dissolved in a moment, in a minute maximum, and fine. It bypasses the first phase of liver, most of the drug. And second, it's quick. Within 5-10 minutes, 15 minutes, max. And these films are available almost everywhere. Sorry, anybody has any questions? So this is, and how will you judge vascular problem? Vascular problem can be best judged by taking the blood pressure, PBI, pinobrachial index. When you examine them, when I mentioned about hypertension, I will give you a simple tip. Take blood pressure in the lying down position. We all take it. also take in standing position. If there is a fall of more than 30, it give you a hint that there is autonomic nervous system imbalance. क्या तो कुछ गड़बड़ कर रही है, क्या डायबिटीज न्यूरोपैथी सेटिंग हो गई है, कुछ न कुछ प्रॉब्लम जरूर है. उसी तरह से when you examine, check the femoral pulsations also. If they are good, take the blood pressure of the penis. Blood pressure of the penis divided by blood pressure of hand gives you a pinobrachial index. More than 0.75, it is not vascular problem. Less than 0.6, you can't handle it. Surgery is the only thing. But between 0.6 and 0.75, PD5 can play a good role, very good role.
So how do you take penile blood pressure? How do you measure?
At present, तो मुश्किल है.
No, no, no.
It's a cup, जैसे हाथ का कप आता है, ऐसा प्राइवेट पार्ट का कप आता है छोटा. बड़ा सिंपल है.
देखा नहीं.
You all the best, लेकिन आप भी करो सर. नहीं, अभी भी हो सर. It's very simple thing. It's not very difficult. मुझे भी पहले लगता था कि बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, पर ऐसा नहीं है. Practice can easily come down. Blood pressure of the penis divided by blood pressure of hand gives you a pinobrachial index. More than 0.75, fine. Less than 0.6, don't use even PD5 or intrapenile. There is severe atherosclerosis. Am I clear?
सर
हाँ जी.
डिग्री लेना है पहली का.
हाँ.
इरेक्टाइल में लेना है ना बेसिक.
फ्लैश में ऐसे कल कोई रिएक्शन देगा. मस्ती करने का है वो.
Where do you get this stuff, sir? Penile stuff.
Every now difficulty in sustaining the rigidity.
Sir, I have one question.
Sorry.
I have one question. Can this era of Doppler, where flow can be measured so precisely, you still prefer?
Sir, you precisely word is wrong. Doppler, unless and until after injecting in a man gets that erection, then Doppler has value. Otherwise, Doppler has no value. कौन आदमी का तुम ऐसे ही मस्ती करके खड़ा कर सकते हो? Not possible. Unless कोई अपना यार दोस्त रहा तो बात और. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि कभी कभी यूं भी हमने अपने दिल को समझाया है, कभी कभी यूं भी हमने दिल को समझाया है कि जो बातों को खुद नहीं समझे औरों को समझाया है. तो ये सेक्सोलॉजी है. हम लोग सब लोग सीखते हैं. मौसम भी बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. मौसम पे एक शेर सुना. बहुत अच्छा शेर, पसंद आए, आप यूज भी कर सको कि मोहब्बत में करीना चाहता हूं, मोहब्बत में करीना चाहता हूं, मैं सावन का महीना चाहता हूं, मोहब्बत में करीना चाहता हूं, मैं सावन का महीना चाहता हूं, मेरे होठों पे होठ रख दे, मैं कुछ और भी जीना चाहता हूं. But I must tell you one thing, when I recited this share to Dr. Nath here, after he told me that you are hinting towards cardiopulmonary resuscitation. वो मेरे होठों पे होठ रख दे, मैं कुछ और भी जीना चाहता हूँ. Let's get back to the business. Two things can happen. Very simple. Either a man has desire, he gets erection, but before penetration, he loses it. Simple knock on the door. He will lose the erection. Organic condition. Arterial, you will get an erection, sustain it. Venously typical, desire, erection एक second के लिए आएगा बैठने. Doctor will not. Another thing is very common in our country because sex education is not imparted in schools and colleges. And even the medical fraternity also. I graduated from a medical school, I had a sexual problem myself. So, simple. Have a desire, get erection. The moment it tries to penetrate, the skin rolls back and phimosis could lead to pain. Now next time, he forgets about the pain. He has desire, he gets erection, he anticipates pain. Why? Because having failed once, the fear of failure forms a tendency to remain under the conscious control during the sex act, and that impairs his sexual responses. It's like one failure breeds another failure, one success breeds another success. कि मैं इंग्लिश में बोला इसके लिए आप लोगों को मालूम होना चाहिए कि मुझे इंग्लिश भी आता है. Second thing is situational, inadequate knowledge. Very common. Very, very common. This reminds me of a case which was referred to me by Dr. Ajit Padkar. And when he entered my office with his wife, he was MD and his wife was double graduate. I realized that he was my own registrar. History सब लिया मैंने, बोला जरा examination. I have taught you, you want to examine me? मैंने बोला sir, I have to report to Dr. Padkar sir, who is a urologist. I have to examine. Examine किया हूँ. Everything was normal. वापस मेरे रूम में आके बिठा दिया. I taught you Prakash, you are examining me, fine. I said, sir, what thing to do? I have to examine your wife also because I have to report. I examined that lady. You'll be surprised, hymen was intact. And there was a little pouch formed at the place of urethra. So I told that lady, you are a double graduate. Why didn't you tell him? Doctor, I told him. But मैंने किसी डॉक्टर पूछे क्यों मुझे अपना गुज्जू भाई था. मैंने बोला you should have insisted. But the doctor, he started doubting my character. How come you know all these things? I am a doctor and you are teaching me. उसको भी वापस बोला. He was my teacher genuinely. I couldn't tell him anything. प्रकाश को तो बराबर everything fine. Everything is fine. Only there is half an inch difference between the frustration and the bliss. So there are आधा इंच नीचे बाकी सब. So never take anything for granted. Second thing is faulty positions. Very, very common. Because coital history is not taken in the Western world. And very common. You must take the coital history. Even after penetration, do you move? Which position do you move? That is also very important. Because some Johnnies wait for the orgasm to occur. ऐसे ही पड़े रहते हैं. मुझे मालूम है आप क्यों अच्छे. कहानी मेरी रुदादे जहाँ मालूम होती है, जो सुनता है उसी को अपनी दास्तान So I use normally this sort of thing. And there are mannequins available in the art shops. Just see the position. कितना भी educated रहे, intelligent रहे, position पूछ लो. कितने लोग ऐसे हैं, they keep their legs outside their partners. I get 1 out of 10 patients even today who has problem with the positions, even in this era of internet. Right? And it's say that. अच्छी तस्वीर है तो देना. Another thing is curvature. A curvature of the penis. If there is an extreme curvature, one will not be able to penetrate. Which are the conditions where you will get extreme curvature?
Congenital curvature.
Congenital curvature. Pyronitis. And any urologist here? Are you a urologist?
This proportional के बहुत अच्छा और short use करा.
Congenital configuration of the corpora cavernosa, abnormality of the investing or buck fascia, moderate high, choroid with hypospadias, and the last one most common is Peyronie's disease. Palpate the pins if at all you get the plaque, but don't be confident or overconfident. Send it for sonography. If there is a plaque, it would become evident. So this could cause, usually, the curvature would be more than 30%. Am I right? That's what your book says, Doctor. Then it's pain. If you think there is pain or problem in penetration, then do something, otherwise leave them up. Because we don't have very great therapy for pyronitis. Surgery also leads to scars. The next is fracture of penis. I had another client I would like to share with you. Patient had, this was his third marriage. It was married to a nurse. Further, previous two marriages, the girls divorced him because he could not consummate the marriage. I took the details, he said, no, I'm getting proper erection, I have desire, I'm getting proper erection. Ejaculation, there is no problem. Mind you, everything was normal. Blood sugar, serum lipids, testosterone, prolactin, whatever they are, what, sab karke thi. Even NPTR was normal. That is not nocturnal penile stimulation rigidity monitoring. That was also normal. I asked that nurse, कोई psycho problem तो नहीं, कोई mental problem तो नहीं. The doctor is smarter than you and me both. But जब भी वो अंदर डालने की कोशिश करता है, तो उसका पेनिस मुड़ जाता है. Took him alone and asked the detailed history. Yes, doctor. मेरी previous girlfriend थी. उसके साथ मैं एक weird position में करता था. मैं बोला जान तो ले कौन सी पोजीशन थी. जब मैं झूले पे करता था, you would stand and the झूला ऐसा. I was surprised. क्या हो रहा है? तो उस टाइम एक वियर्ड जगह लग गया. कटक करके आवाज आया, पेनिस को स्वेलिंग हुआ and lost. So that was a case of fracture of penis. I referred it to a urologist, Dr. Rupin Shah, and find out. But remember, all report would be normal. Even organically is totally fine. NPTR is totally fine. Even he, अपना erection का definition, inability to attain or maintain erection of adequate quality sufficient for mutually satisfying sexual intercourse, that is also not valid in this case. But this is a problem. Then we could confirm it before sending by the reduced penile axial pressure. That is this. So it would be less than 80 millimeters. That would be a confirmed. Please remember, any case of erectile dysfunction or non-consummated marriage, before proceeding for the treatment, always see that you examine the female partner also. By chance, if the partner says no, give them the dilators. Ask them to examine themselves, because you have already examined the male part. so you know approximate size. The moment you do this, you will rule out two things: vaginismus as well as any obstructive vaginal performance. Simple. ये दरवाजे में से बाहर जाना है, ये खड़े बात और है, लेकिन अगर मुझे बाहर जाना है तो मैं आराम से जा सकूँ। दरवाजा इतना साइज का होना चाहिए कि मैं बाहर जा सकूँ। अगर दरवाजा छोटा होगा तो नहीं। And you can't judge a man's size of penis just by his face, can you? Wait. This is very complicated, very.
Once, Dr. Gupta told, depending on your finger, you can assess the size of the bone.
ये मेरी डॉक्टर मुक्ता में हमारे मैं आपको बताऊं, मुक्ता ने मुझे भी कहा था, फिर बाद में एक शेर सुनाया था कि एक ने कही दूसरे ने मानी, गुरु नानक करे दोनों ज्ञानी।
वन पर्टिकुलर वे जहाँ पे झूला बोल रहे आप बोल रहे थे ना, एक ऐसे ही पेशेंट वो कहीं पे उसके बेडरूम में कोने पे बैठ के ऐसा जंप मारता था उसकी वाइफ के ऊपर इरेक्ट पेनिस के साथ, और उसकी वाइफ का सब पहना ही फ्रैक्चर हो गया, कभी फ्रैक्चर हो गया।
ये आप सुना ना, ये
all these perversions.
Second, desire, erection, penetration. Penetration के बाद क्या हो सकता है? अपने तजुर्बे में ये आया। A knock on the door and you lose the erection. कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि एक पेशेंट आया था, उसका कॉट था, कॉट आवाज करता था, and father's room was next door. तो वो जैसा वो मूवमेंट पेनिट्रेशन है, लेकिन जैसा जरा मूवमेंट किया चूं चूं ऐसा करके सच बता रहा हूं। तो he thought what was father looking, तो उधर no therapy required, only the changing of the cot. And second thing is, suppose if you have desire, you get erection, you are able to penetrate, but then you get pain. Where is your son? I thought any skin specialist, venereology? Yes. What are the conditions where you will get pain? The moment you thrust, candidiasis नहीं गया, वर्कपीस रहा, स्ट्रक्चर रहा, जरा जोर के मारोगे तो you will get pain. So see that also organic conditions कुछ ऐसा हो सकता है। फेमोसिस बाहर होगा, अंदर जाने के बाद फेमोसिस नहीं होगा। The next condition would be penetration. And inadequate peno-vaginal contact, very common. We got many cases from the obstetric department. बच्चा नॉर्मल डिलीवरी में हो गया, फिर 4-5 हफ्ते के बाद the man says, doctor, I don't feel anything inside, as if the penis is lost in vagina, and the wife also doesn't. This could be because of laxity of vagina, lack of peno-vaginal contact, very common. To make it further very clear, during intercourse, what the penis does in a woman's vagina, it does the same in the folded palm during masturbation. And if you know Hindi well, you can become Marathi pastor. Both are same thing, the grammar of the action is similar. But can you masturbate with a loose hand? So if the grip is not proper, then the stiffness would go away. Please remember. Immediate आपको देखना है, रिलीफ करना है, what will you do? Immediate relief.
Cross leg.
Cross leg. Another position, doggy. Doggy position is from the rear end because the grip is better. Am I clear? So these are the two positions, but later on you can advise Kegels exercises or the yoga, Ashwini and Vajrayana Mudra could be of great help. And, sorry? Rejuvenation of vagina. But I would always put the surgery part last.
It's not a surgery, but it is just a laser by which they constantly.
I don't have any experience of that. So far I have not tried in any patient. Lasers, vagina.
There is this CO2 laser is there. That uses the probe which goes inside the.
और उसमें बाद में क्या फॉलो अप भी करना चाहिए.
Multiple
उस
sections.
टाइम तो गया समझो ठीक हो गया, फिर अपनी बाजू की दुकान में गया कि कहीं और चला गया, वो भी करोगे तो मालूम पड़ेगा नहीं. I don't have any, I have not referred any case for surgery, so my knowledge is, I'm ignorant of these. After that, orgasm. How much time do we enjoy? How much time do we enjoy? From your vast experience. Time. Then if I want to know how much time do we enjoy? I know orgasm is between the two ears and not between the two legs. Fine. But how much time do we enjoy? Not more than half a minute per week, not more than half an hour per year. But still, it's an important phenomenon. The mathematics of misery and happiness deeply depends upon it.
सर सुख के 2 क्षण ही बहुत है.
Sorry?
सुख के 2 क्षण ही बहुत है, 4 क्षण.
So, here,
क्षण फ्रैक्शंस ऑफ सेकंड्स ही बहुत है. इफ यू गेट अ रियल
रियल माने क्या इसमें? आता है तो आता है, नहीं तो नहीं आता है इसमें रियल. You can't, a man cannot fake an orgasm. Woman can. Because most, in majority of patients, ejaculation follows orgasm. But not on all. Both can occur independently. Am I right? But the pleasure part is experienced in the mind. What happens is, you see, please remember, emission, bladder neck closure, and ejaculation per se are the dispensable pelvic physiological components. They are not necessary for orgasm. What happens when the sexual arousal reaches the peak? The fluid, I mean, one more thing. What happens when the arousal level reaches the peak? It culminates into orgasm. And what are the problems of orgasm? Orgasm का क्या problem होता है? 4 के बाद ये 4 के बियॉन्ड कुछ नहीं होता है मेरे दोस्तों. अर्ली orgasm, what people call it premature ejaculation. How can you call premature? Is there anything like mature ejaculation? And moreover, the moment you say premature ejaculation, you are propagating a myth that ejaculation and orgasm are synonymous. In reality, they are distinctly different, and one could occur without the other. We all are suffering from one myth. That one myth about the semen, that one drop of semen equals to 100 drops of blood, and one drop of blood equals to so much of food. The Western world also suffer from the same myth. They suffer from the myth of semen only, that ejaculation and orgasm are synonymous. I'll just give you a simple example. In prepubertal orgasm, prepubertal boys, if they reach orgasm, there is no formation of semen. And if they reach orgasm early, what will you call premature ejaculation? There is no ejaculation, damn it. If a man has prostate surgery, After that, he reaches orgasm. If he reaches orgasm early, what will you call? Premature ejaculation. There is no ejaculation, no visible ejaculation. ऐसे ही हवा में बात करते हैं. Early orgasm satisfied. There are drugs like prostate के लिए देते हैं, alpha blockers and carbamazepine for epilepsy and all those things. They also lead to dryness of semen, complete dryness of semen. कभी-कभी or retrograde ejaculation. If they reach orgasm early, what will you call? Premature ejaculation. Early orgasm. Because orgasm is experienced between the 2 ears and ejaculation is between the 2 legs. Am I clear? आप गलती से किसी ने मुझे केस बोला, डॉक्टर आई से ये सफरिंग फ्रॉम प्रीमेच्योर इजैकुलेशन, लेकिन इजैकुलेशन है ही नहीं प्रोस्टेट के बाद, कैसे हुआ प्रीमेच्योर इजैकुलेशन? ऐसे एक पेशेंट बस कई बार शायर है, डॉक्टर साहब बर्बाद हो, क्या हो? ये कैसा वक्त मुझ पर आ गया? जो सफरिंग फ्रॉम प्रीमेच्योर इजैकुलेशन, ये कैसा वक्त मुझ पर आ गया कि सफर बाकी है और घर आ गया? इतना मस्त मुस्कुराओ, इतना क्यों मुस्कुरा रहे हो? क्या गम है?
Sir, I have one doubt.
हाँ सर, बोलो ना. Now come
Female
to the window.
ejaculation, in your what myth is propagated is premature ejaculation, and the correct thing is early orgasm. Correct?
Comparatively, it focuses better on the pathology. 1. Number 2, you are not propagating a myth that ejaculation and orgasm are synonymous. That's why you are holding this conference to demystify the myth and educate people in proper knowledge.
So my question is it something similar which women also can experience early orgasm or
Absolutely,
God is premature?
absolutely, sir. ये नीचे देखो. This is the only classification which shows male and female people in the world. If a woman reaches orgasm early, we call it early orgasm. If it's with a delay, we call it मत देखो यार पूरा आप भेज देना हमको पूरा. If it's a delay, it's delayed orgasm. Orgasm आया लेकिन कम आया, मजा कम आया. There's no word accepting this. It's an impaired orgasm, and there's no feeling at all. आनंद ही नहीं आया, मजा ही नहीं आया. That's an orgasm. Am I clear?
Sir, then why both processes many of time they happen simultaneously?
कौन?
This ejaculation and orgasm.
हाँ.
That may be the reason.
Never. Ejaculation and orgasm are not synonymous. They both are distinctly different and one could occur without the other.
Generally, so they happen simultaneously.
नहीं मेरे भाई simultaneous नहीं होता. Ejaculation. When a patient will come and say, "Doc, I have desire, I get erection, I am able to masturbate, but it's a dry run. There is no ejaculation outside." This is by and large retrograde ejaculation. Now, what are the? This is a visible, dispensable pelvic physiological concomitant. Am I clear? Dispensable. What happens is, 4 condition हो रही है. You did have desire, you get erection, you reach orgasm, but semen just slips out. It's a spotless seminal dribble. Second condition, semen does not come out. Retrograde ejaculation. What other conditions?
And ejaculation.
Sorry?
And ejaculation.
What is why? My question is why? There is no formation of semen from seminal vesicles of the prostate. Probably because of the drug. Semen comes out in less quantity. What are the conditions? No. Drugs, yes, yeah, but last. Huh? Ejaculatory duct obstruction, right. डॉक्टर तो वो लड़के का चक्कर में तो नहीं ना अभी तक yes with age yes declining declining testosterone can lead to less partial retrograde ejaculation never 20% never. Other condition which are the last condition semen comes out after a while. I have desire, I get erection, I am able to penetrate, reach orgasm, but doc, semen does not come out immediately. It comes out after a while. If there is a pouch in the urethra, if there is some enthusiastic doctor has tried to fiddle around with urethroskop or something like that, so he can leave his autographs behind. I mean, you can confirm it by ascending urethra. निशानी छोड़ देते हैं well this was about me would be an injustice if I don't talk about female what happens to a female as a desire all the affected you can touch is a sex center in the brain when all the messages are read down when the messages are sufficient further messages go down there is flow of blood and a woman gets back. This particular lubrication is 100% psychological in nature. If the woman is not interested in the sex, she will not lubricate. And then she is aroused very further. So this particular lubrication is 70% psychological in nature. If the woman is not interested, she may not lubricate. And when she is aroused further, she reaches what is known as orgasm. Most men in our country use their partners as living pills. Sir, I'm glad you were talking about their partner satisfaction, which is absolutely wrong. At least the partner should take her to planets. This reminds me of a very great poet, once Jagjit Singh and Ashok Goswami is still alive. They brought him with him. His girlfriend was also a shaira. खासा क्या प्रॉब्लम है? तो लोग सब मुझे तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं लगता है। उसको पता ही नहीं था कि वुमन को सेटिस्फैक्शन होता है। मुझे तो कुछ पता ही नहीं था। बेगम साहिबा कहती हैं कि उनको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है। तो मैंने क्या प्रॉब्लम है? माने वो अराउज हो जाती थी, लेकिन उसको आधे ही छोड़ देता था। उसको पता ही नहीं था। डॉक्टर साहब मैं बता नहीं सकती। मैंने कहा तुम बताओगे तो मैं इलाज कैसे करूँगा? Afterwards she convinced. She got convinced. She said just say डॉक्टर साहब मैं 2 लाइन आपको बताती हूँ। अगर आपको समझ में आया तो ठीक है। नहीं तो जाने। क्या बात है? इससे बात कुछ ऐसी है कि वो तो वहाँ के चल दिए और लहरें तड़पती रह गई। माने वो वहाँ ही रह गए। And that man did not know that the partner should reach climax. He felt very bad, but after that, I made it a point that Baba, तुम कुछ भी करो before penetration, you must see that your partner is satisfied by one way or the other. Other माने don't think of anything else. Other means either intercourse, masturbation, oral sex, but she should reach climax. Same thing with females. 4 questions, and you come to the diagnosis. Desire, lubrication, penetration, and orgasm. Desire तो हम लोगों ने बात की, उम्र में खाली एक ओवेल का कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं। Next comes lubrication. Desire, lubrication. Sometimes lubrication could be excessive. Just by holding hand, a woman would get wet. I had several cases in KEM hospital. But I must tell you, in not a single case we could find out there is. You also don't try. हम लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत की। I mean, कुछ भी नहीं मिला. Only treatment which works is using the paper napkins. बहुत lubrication. Otherwise, the man becomes so uncomfortable that he would leave the partner. And the girl, with no fault of the female. Well, that is lubrication. Sometimes the woman will say, "Doctor, I'm aroused, but I'm blocked below." Severe atherosclerosis. Severe. That could happen. Usually, heavy smokers get this. What could be the reason for decrease in lubrication? Sorry? बराबर है, कॉमन चीज बोलो है। लैक ऑफ फ्लोर प्ले। याद रखने का कि जो मजा सफर में है वो मंजिल में नहीं है। तो मैं बहुत प्लेजर इन ट्रैवलिंग रादर देन अराइविंग। तो फ्लोर प्ले में टाइम ज्यादा गुजरा। सेकंड, if there is infection, lubrication may not be there at all. Bacterial, monial, fungal, trichomonas. Any gynecologist here? Sir, in monial it could be a cardiac discharge. It might associate with itching. If at all it's trichomonal, it would be a yellowish type of discharge. All can be treated by a competent gynecologist. But during the treatment, please remember that they should not have sexual intercourse. Otherwise, there would be ping-ponging of infection. Am I right? Yeah. Please correct me if I am wrong. So that is decrease in lubrication. Penetration problem कहाँ आता है? Vaginismus. What happens in vaginismus? What happens in vaginismus? Sorry?
Involuntary contraction.
Involuntary. What happens? What is that? Who wants to go for it? But there is tremendous involuntary contraction in the outer one-third of vagina, which makes the entry of penis impossible. By and large, the problem is between the two ears and not between the two ears. What I do is that I just tell them, first you make your contraction involuntary से voluntary. कैसे लेके आएंगे? सांस लो, बैठकर तुम्हारी अश्विनी मुद्रा, अरे वज्रोली मुद्रा और अश्विनी मुद्रा, सांस लो. Try to contract the vagina. Try to hold the urine, because the muscles which cover the urethra and vagina both are the same. They are encapsulated in the same sheath. The moment you contract your urethra, you are also contracting vagina. 5 बार सुबह, 5 बार शाम को, 5 बार सुबह, 5 बार शाम को. 7-8 दिन के बाद she will have that control. Then what I do is I ask her to use her own finger, because anything outside that is outside. Try to put a little inside. Then there are, if she is able to move a little further into the patient, contract, जब relax करती है तो थोड़ा और करता. If she succeeds in putting the little finger, then there are dilators. Dilators are of glass, metal, rubber. I found rubber dilators very useful. Very simple, but very useful. Malleable, user friendly. दोनों साइज बताते हो, इतनी उंगली जैसा ही होता है. Yeah, you can use this. अंदर डाल के भी contraction, relaxation, contraction, relaxation. सुबह शाम एक हफ्ते के बाद. Then go to number 2, go to number 3. But see that you examine the male partner. And you widen the vagina depending upon your partner, if she is a single partner. That was your query, I could talk. That is it. Multiple partners is about all, otherwise you need to come. So that part, usually vaginismus, I have never used drugs. I have never used even anti-anxiety. Don't try to take shortcuts. It will take a little longer time. Second is inadequate knowledge. Many people don't know. I just simply thought urethra में उंगली भी नहीं जा सकती. एनस टू लो, जहां जाता है वजाइना ही है, फिक्र मत करो. And I don't ask them, the men, to search, because otherwise he will get lost. Where is the vagina? Where is the vagina? फिर finish देखेगा, उसमें anxiety आ गई, he lose the erection. Then poor man has to get it up and then penetrate. So men are having what problem because of anxiety. So in such situation, best is to ask the female partner to do the needful, because she knows where it goes. You know it better, sir. अंधेरे में मैं मेरे मुंह में डाल सकता हूँ, आपके मुंह में निवारा डालने गया, इधर भी लगे, इधर भी. पेशेंट पूछेगा भाई उसको जो मैं क्यों नहीं. ये एग्जांपल दे रहे हैं. एग्जांपल्स कैरी मोर वेट देन वर्ड्स. उसके बाद faulty positions. Use this clause and clear the line. Second is, if at all penetration is possible, not possible, तो यह है.
One thing, nowadays they are getting lot of endometriosis.
I'm coming to sir, I'm coming. आपको सेटिस्फाई है कि ये फिगर मैं ये हमारे से मोहब्बत है और मोहब्बत की नहीं जाती, मोहब्बत हो ही जाती है. ये शोला खुद भड़कता है, भड़काया नहीं जाता. और मोहब्बत करने के लिए कुछ खास दिन मखसूस होते हैं. ये वो नगमा है जो हर साल पर गाया नहीं जाता. बहुत कम लोग ऐसे हैं. मोहब्बत में क्या क्या मुकाम आ रहे हैं कि मंजिल पे हैं और चले जा रहे हैं. ये कह के कि हम दिल को बहला रहे हैं, वो अब चल चुके हैं, वो अब आ रहे हैं. Now what if it is possible, then what happens? It could be painful. Don't ask for more details. लंबा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं. पेन कब होता है? Before penetration, during penetration, after penetration. खत्म हो गई. और कोई before penetration कौन सा सिचुएशन है? Before penetration before penetration कब होगा? अरे फोबिया खत्म हो गई. ड्यूरिंग पेनिट्रेशन कब होगा सर? ड्यूरिंग पेनिट्रेशन कब होगा? ज्यादा पूछने की जरूरत नहीं. Whether you are getting pain in the beginning, in the middle, or at the end, पूरा. Beginning में पेन हुआ, रीजन क्या रीजन? What are the reasons? Lack of lubrication, one, yes. During penetration, during beginning के अंदर PID कैसे होगा? PID के दो वे. हम मैं गाने का टर्म किया है, MD ने किया है, गाने का टर्म किया है. Entrance, midway और at the end. Entrance में कभी होगा, अभी तो बताया lack of lubrication. That could be because of many reasons. There is no other reason. क्या को पेन होगा? अगर मोहब्बत है फिर भी पेन होता है तो क्या रीजन? भाई इंफेक्शन ढूंढो, हार्मोन इम्बैलेंस ढूंढो, बिकॉज एस्ट्रोजन डेफिशिएंसी कैन बी द कॉज. है ना? एस्ट्रोजन डेफिशिएंसी रहेगी तो क्या होगा? देयर विल बी एट्रोफी ऑफ द वजाइनल एपिथेलियम. इन द मोमेंट यू हैव डिजायर टू गेट, शी विल गेट पेन. अब एक बार पेन हुआ तो दूसरी बार, अब एक बार चाय पिया, अच्छा चाय पिया, अच्छा लगा, दोबारा पीने का दिल होगा. लेकिन कड़वा चाय होगा तो अभी पी के आया, डॉक्टर पूछा अभी पी के आया, ऐसा करते. सो इफ एट ऑल यू हैव penetrated once, if it's painful, next time she won't be interested. She will be आता नको, नंतर करणार, असं नको. So these are the common things. It's how you go about, you know. So that is entrance. Estrogen deficiency could be caused. Please remember, even testosterone is equally important for the female. I never tried testosterone injections or tablets or patches. But I give them a diet which is rich in estrogen and testosterone. क्या देंगे? पहले ही जब करके एस्ट्रोजन कम दाल कौन सा दाल नहीं उबर दाल नहीं एस्ट्रोजन बराबर सोयाबीन और उड़द की दाल का रेट किधर है डॉक्टर साहब? उड़द की दाल दो दिन के मेन्यू में होनी चाहिए। खाली उड़द की दाल थोड़ा गैस करती है, सो बेटर एट द लंच टाइम हींग और गार्लिक का तड़का देके ताकि वायु का एलिमेंट कम हो जाए, सल्फर कंटेंट ज्यादा रहता है। बट अकॉर्डिंग टू वैद्य बापाला मेथी contains good amount of estrogen, fenugreek and flaxseed. Yes, you are right. Flaxseed, soyabean, and fenugreek.
I give the panel fenugreek and flax.
Right. But add little testosterone to it also, because the woman's sensitivity of the clitoris, of the breast, of the nipples, is based mainly on testosterone, not on estrogen. Estrogen makes a female a problem. अगर लेकिन दो तीन महीना तक अगर एस्ट्रोजन दिया और अगर वो ठीक नहीं हुआ, पेनफुल पेनिट्रेशन, तो फिर apply some cream which contains estrogen. Right? Like Primarin. Very what? सौंफ नहीं, सौंफ से कुछ नहीं होता। सौंफ से नहीं, फेन्यूग्रीक का मतलब मेथी। सौंफ इज गुड, बाद में खाएंगे लेक्चर में रखना। तो वेरी गुड भी हाँ, तो एस्ट्रोजन नहीं होता, यू कैन प्रिमरी एंड अनलेस द गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट एडवाइस यू कैन टेक इवन एस्ट्रोजन, बट रिमेंबर अ टच ऑफ टेस्टोस्टेरोन will add color to it. Entrance out, midway. What happens? Where do you get the pain, sir? When you are penetrating and the pain is in the midway.
Endometriosis.
No, not endometriosis. Anybody?
Accepted vagina.
Sorry?
Vaginal septum.
Vaginal septum, nahi boss. When do you get pain during penetration in the midway? ऐसा तो इमेजिन मत करो।
Prolapse.
Any condition?
Prolapse cervix.
हाँ जी।
Infection.
Infection no. हाँ, you are closed. Closed. Levator myalgia. Most common but always ignored. On the side, tender. And second, last, deep गया तो पेन कभी होगा। Deep thrusting में पेन होता है। PID. Who said PID? Great. Good name, sir.
Dr. Vivek Villampet.
Thank you so much. PID, endometriosis, दादा। और कोई सर्जरी किया हो, कुछ कार रह गया हो, तो भी हो। What about after? तो उसके बाद पेन हुआ तो? हाँ वही बिल्कुल, anything following surgery, even following radiation also. But afterwards कभी होगा? Because it's over, still you are getting pain. Why? नहीं बहुत इतना लंबा
Decrease communication.
सिंपल है, ज्यादातर चीज सिंपल ही होती है। प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है? आंखों वाला ठोकर खाए, अंधा राह दिखाए, ज्ञानी लब न हिलाए, अनपढ़ कथा सुनाए, ऐसा होता है कई बार। हाँ जी,
Lost lubrication.
endometriosis, PID, following surgery. No, actually, after intercourse, not forced but rough intercourse. Rough intercourse. Ask the partner to be little gentle, tender, the rough. And till that time, till the problem is resolved, what do you use normally? Coconut oil? You use coconut oil. Which oil? Body lotion, udhar lotion नहीं लगाना। और उसका दूध नहीं लगाना। And friction is because of simple coconut oil. All these cable and all that, they dry up in between. Cheap, easily available.
What about the saliva?
सलाइवा कितना सलाइवा एक टम्बलर भर के कहाँ से आप नॉट माने everyone will not be आपकी कैपेसिटी के इतना कहाँ से सलाइवा अच्छी चीज है लेकिन गुड और ये कौन सा ये फोटो में गई हाँ मैं सर डिजायर देर हुआ तो डिजायर नहीं होगा लुब्रिकेशन हुआ तो पेनफुल होगा पेनिट्रेशन में दर्द होगा और पेन दर्द होगा तो ऑर्गेज्म होगा so this is one thing which is very common and you require common sense for it unfortunately it's not that common दूसरा आता है very easily and the patient would report doc I feel nothing inside the man will say I feel as if my penis is lost in vagina because of laxity of vagina, common following the birth और बढ़ती उम्र में ये ठीक हो सकता है। And when it goes further, woman gets excited and she reaches orgasm. What happens when a woman reaches orgasm? One thing is positive: a woman does not ejaculate as men do. So don't search for it. What happens when a woman reaches orgasm? Yes, sir?
She feels in trance.
Huh?
She feels in trance.
कभी-कभी भक्ति करती है तो भी वो ट्रांस But you are right, partly right. What happens when a woman reaches orgasm?
Vaginal contraction.
Contraction, please remember. Contraction may not be there in all plants. In my clinic or in KEM hospital, out of 10, one patient would have, two patients may not have vaginal contractions at all. So vaginal contractions is not a must for orgasm. Most women have it, but not all. But what do you get? How would you come to the conclusion that she has reached orgasm? Yes, sir? Moaning? One, increased breathlessness. Pupils dilate. Yes, that's what Masters and Johnsons have written. Under whom I did my undergraduate and postgraduate. The breathing becomes more faster. The pupils dilate. अगर लड़की खूबसूरत रही, fair रही, तो there will be a rush. मतलब ये दिखने को जाएंगे सब तो it will be more work and less. वो बराबर है उसके रोड अदरवाइज तो आपको इसकी आदत भी हो जाती है ना मेरी निगाहों का सुकून मेरी सांसों की थकन दर हकीकत कहीं रंगीन शरारत ही न हो हम जिसे प्यार का अंदाज समझ बैठे वो तबस्सुम वो तकल्लुम कहीं तेरी आदत ही न हो कभी ऐसा चक्कर बन गया तो और तकलीफ हो जाएगी है ना ऑर्गेनिज्म का बहुत अच्छा शेर जानी सारा सुनो
Irshad.
असार माने कलेक्शन ऑफ शेर। असार मेरे यूं तो जमाने के लिए है, तो शेर मगर तुझको सुनाने के लिए है। देखूं जो तेरे हाथ तो लगते हैं तेरे हाथ मंदिर में फकर दीप जलाने के लिए। और सोचो तो बड़ी चीज है तहजीब बदन की, तहजीब माने मैनर्स, ऑर्गेजम का शेर। सोचो तो बड़ी चीज है तहजीब बदन की, वरना तो बदन आग बुझाने के लिए। He has described woman in 2 lines. No words. सचमुच आपको लगेगा कि ये जावेद का हाल है। He says, नदी में एक बार आदमी भंवर में आ गया, एक बार भंवर में आ गया, बाहर निकलेगा नहीं। Am I right? मैडम, खूबसूरत लड़की के अंदर एक भंवर नहीं होता है, 4 भंवर होते हैं। भंवर माने राउंड, जुल्फें, सीधे बाल को गेसू कहते हैं, राउंड को जुल्फें कहते हैं। जुल्फें, सीना, ब्रेस्ट, सीना, नाक, अपनी कर, कमर, जुल्फें, सीना, नाक, कमर। एक नदी में कितने भंवर? हाँ भाई, जुल्फे माने बाल, वो राउंड होता है। सीना माने ब्रेस्ट, ब्रेस्ट को समझते हैं आप, जिंदगी में निकल गई। नाक माने अम्बलिकस, कमर माने ये, बराबर है। तो जुल्फे, एक, सीना 2, नाक 3, कमर 4, जुल्फे, सीना, नाक, कमर। एक नदी में कितने भंवर? एक में से तुम बाहर नहीं आता है तो 4 कैसे बर्दाश्त? राइट? In Telugu they call it Santropti, in Marathi they call it Samadhan, in Gujarati they call it Santosh, in Punjabi they call it Tasalli, in Urdu they call it Sukoon, in Bengali they call it Balo Lagyo Ki Na। एक लड़की झोपड़पट्टी से, डॉक्टर साहब हमारे शौहर जल्दी खत्म हो जाते हैं, my husband finishes very fast, हम नशे में नहीं आते, and I'm not getting intoxicated. So orgasm is an orgasm is an orgasm. If a woman has had one, she knows about it. Otherwise, any attempt to explain it is like explaining a rainbow to a blind man. Balo laglo ki na. Meaning, friends, लिख डालते थे इसके लिए it reminds me of Osho. I have a very good friend, Kalyanji, the music director. Myself, Kalyanji and Osho were together. Osho, there is no good word in for orgasm. And vaginal contraction is between the 2 legs. एक रूम कहीं भूल तो नहीं जाता हूँ कोई चीज। Yes. Now, other details, say personal history, past history, family history, autonomic nervous system is not required in all cases. Relevant हो तो पूछो। अभी अर्ली ऑर्गेजम में, डिलेड ऑर्गेजम में तुम्हारे खानदान में किसी को था in early orgasm, you don't know. But yes, in impaired orgasm, an absent orgasm is a must because myopathy can be the cause. And myopathy runs in the family. Another thing is about 4 vital questions you must ask at the end. Number 1, coming for the treatment is the act of instinct or one of reason? आप ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आ रहे हो, खुद के लिए आ रहे हो, कि तुम्हारा फैमिली फोर्स कर रहा है? ये जो फैमिली फोर्स इज दैट व्हाई यू आर कमिंग. If it is the act of instinct, the prognosis would be good. If it's for the reason, घर के लोग भेजते हैं, that would be hard. Second is what arouses you the most. पूरा हिस्ट्री टेकिंग कर ले, फिर बाद में एक क्वेश्चन पूछोगे तो मालूम पड़ेगा भाई. What arouses you? I am a fetish. खैर देखता हूँ तो ही मुझे इलेक्शन आता है, तो पूरी मेहनत तुम्हारी बेकार है. You can clean the diagnosis in a moment. But what do you attribute your problem to? Just to criticize. उसकी ट्रीटमेंट करने के बाद भी, इरेक्टाइल डिस्फंक्शन क्योर करने के बाद भी, उसका कंज्यूमेशन ऑफ मैरिज हो जाने के बाद भी, ये he will not be able to enjoy that well, because still he will have the feeling that I have a smaller one. What is the normal size of the penis? टाइम मैनेजमेंट भी कोई बात हो. एंड सेकंड, it gives you an answer what should be the size of the penis. Anything from 2 inches or more is good enough. Longer the better is a Godzilla logic. An archer is known by aim, not the length of his arrow. You see, it's the motion of the ocean that matters, not the length of the wave. Right? तो ये एंजाइटी क्लियर करनी. दूसरा the last one you remember is that if there is anything else which I have not asked but you would like to tell me. I have had a client, पूरा दास्तान है मोहब्बत बताया. Doctor, he came with his beautiful wife. They do everything, kissing each other, pressing each other, embracing each other, fantastic, but nothing is happening since 4 years. So I wrote diabetes, testosterone, ये सब लिख के लिखने वाला था. जाते जाते मैंने पूछा था बॉस कोई ऐसी चीज है जो मैंने नहीं पूछी लेकिन आप बताना चाहते हैं. तो डॉक्टर साहब एक only one thing. I said what is it? The problem is only at home. ये घरीच प्रॉब्लेम आहे, बाहर कुठे गर्लफ्रेंड बरोबर नाही. So the problem was situational and not constitutional. I was probing for constitutional. Am I spilling over the time? Just let me know. The last one, contraindications are very important. When sex therapy is contraindicated. Anybody? When sex therapy is contraindicated. I see you. किधर आ जाएगा? I see you. The patient's anxiety is a true. The patient's anxiety is a true. If the depressions are deep, the paranoia is pervasive, the mental hospitals are very bad, and if the defenses are rigid, the sex therapy is contraindicated. Please remember, correct it, balance it, and you'll be able to make it. Now I must tell you one more.